Not all of us killed Mom. I liked it here. Reminds me of playing catch with Dad. What is taking him so long?
Sorry. I prefer to make an entrance. Not only have you destroyed his planet, but you've also destroyed him. Every single person who survives will forever think of this when they remember his name. Even if they know it was you.
Yeah. We're awesome. What's next?
Find Mark and bring him to me. It's time we were reunited. Face to face.
How about we don't? Your stupid plan got most of us killed. Who cares? They were weak. I would have murdered them myself eventually. Come on! The deal was, we help you, and then you help us take over a bunch of other dimensions. We didn't all make the same deal, man. I came here to find Mom and bring her back with me. Oh, someone misses We're all the same person. I'm sure I'm not the only one. I miss William. Whatever! It's all pointless if we're dead, right? I hate you guys. We're done. Give us our dimensions. Now. Or we'll kill you. Don't be stupid! If we kill him, we'll be stuck in the hole forever. We'll just torture you instead, duh. I could get behind that. Hell yeah. Love it.
I was sure they'd turn on me much later. How disappointing.
Angtrom! You're dead! Ugh, he can't hear you, idiot!